Alright guys, now the first thing you'll be needing are these Ktm handguards and the padding, which are both provided in the box. You'll be needing these 4 nuts and 4 bolts, which are also provided in the box. You will also need these clamps and the padding from inside the box. And you'll also be needing these 2 bolts, which are also provided to you in the box. You'll need a washer and a nut which is slightly bigger than the previous ones. Now the last and the main thing you'll be needing are these bar ends. These are handlebar ends which you can purchase from any spare parts dealer, and they need to be small in size like the one shown here. Start by removing these rubber pads. Alright guys, now as you can see here, you need to remove the left hand side bar end with an Allen key and remove the bolt which holds it in place. Now as you can see, you need to use an Allen key to remove the bolt which holds the handlebar in place, and make sure that you hold the handlebar in place while loosening the bolt so that the handlebar doesn't fall off. The next thing that you need to do is fix the bar end that we purchased earlier into the space that holds the handlebar in place, and make sure that you tighten it up properly so that the handlebar doesn't vibrate while riding, as you can see here. You need to make sure that you do this on both sides. Now, as you can see, you need to put the clamps and the handguards in place. Now you need to use the nuts and the bolts which were provided to you in the box to secure the handguards in place. Now you need to tighten these and secure them in place to avoid any unnecessary vibrations. Make sure that you repeat this procedure on both sides and that everything is tight and secure and in its place. Now you need to put the left hand side bar end back in its place by using the bolt provided in the box and tightening it with an Allen key. Make sure that it's tight. Now the right hand side bar end setup will look something like this. Now all you need to do is put the right hand side bar end back in its place by tightening it with an Allen key, and make sure that it is tight and secure to avoid any handlebar vibrations. The finished product will look something like this on the right hand side.